What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tanny from Roblox GFX, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix this simple Arsenal map problem, I guess you can call this. So a lot of people have been having this issues. Even if you change into EV, it even looks worse. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix this problem. So let's jump right into this video. So first thing you want to do is change into Cycles. Cycles is going to be your best engine, and don't be afraid of it. Now, next step is going to be honest, going into shader editor, which I just did in front of you. So what you want to do is point your mouse right into this corner until you see this like plus icon, I guess you can call it. And you're just going to drag it to the side just like so. And you're going to click here and then shader editor. Now once you get into shader editor, you want to find a place where you see this like glitch. So let's say for example the sand. So you want to go into solid mode by clicking Z, clicking tab on your keyboard, going to the faces, and just clicking the floor, like selecting it. Then it should be selected in your shader editor, and your next step is going to be removing the base color from the texture. So once you do this, your color is back. And this goes for like the entire scene. Same as these walls, you remove, it's back to normal. So if you take your time on this, which you will need, this should be as easy to do. You click, remove, and that's the same for all of it. So even here it becomes brown, this floor it becomes the street, and so on. So I hope this video actually helped you guys with your GFX problem. If you still don't understand this video, please be sure to join our Discord server. I'll be more than happy to help you. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace out.